There. Straighten up. Little driver. There you go. You're on the line. That's it. Perfect. Back it up.
Just to get over that bump, Jay, you got to give it a little love.
Straighten your wheels up right there. A little bit. Another foot back. Right there. Now just give me a little roll into that. It should come right over that ledge. Go. More go.
A little bit more go. Maybe he's got to go a little bit, driver.
A little more passenger. Yeah.
Driver!
Driver! Straighten up. There you go. Keep
Nice,
going.
nice, Jay.
Don't stop there. Very nice.